step into the 2011 Mitsubishi Galant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are factory premium sound system, cruise control, power steering, keyless entry, driver airbag, traction control, and passenger airbag. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.